Terra Luna Classics, the LUNC coin has seen its price gain 71% in the past 24 hours, recording its highest daily increase since May 14. Why is this the case? Welcome to the Humanity. I see us back to another video from Crypto Cash Out, the channel that is dedicated to talk about everything, anything crypto. Please remember that we are not financial advisors, and although we love sharing information about the blockchain, we are not financial experts. With the volatile market that we have right now, it would be a real shame if you lost money by blindly investing in a coin. That is why we are encouraging you guys to do additional research after watching this video. You can trust us if you do your research. LUNC, the failed coin of the Terra ecosystem, has since been replaced with Luna 2.0 due to a death spiral that caused LUNC's price to decrease by 99.99%. LUNC has not initiated any upward movement or created a bullish structure since May 12, when it first dropped below $1. On Thursday, the price initiated a rapid upward movement, but there doesn't seem to be any single decisive reason for this. This increase may have been facilitated by the efforts of a community-focused validator at LUNC which used their $70,000 yield profits to burn a percentage of LUNC. Crypto Terra Classic 1.2 should be available from the 12th of September, with the 1.2% burn tax coming to Luna Classic LUNC. In this update, one of the novelties will be the LUNC 1.2% burn tax, which will apply to all transactions carried out on this network if all goes according to plan. Terra Classic LUNC has seen its transaction volume rise by 211% in the last 24 hours, with a gain of more than 13%, currently trading at $0.154. Despite already being approved by the validators, it remains to be seen whether the market demand for Luna Classic LUNC will continue to grow, especially in light of the new tax token burn that will take place after the update is released. The 1.2% burn mechanism Terra Luna is trying to incorporate is known to Binance, and they're all for it. Binance is really excited to support Terra Luna no matter what happens. But it seems like Terra Luna is really on its way to becoming a crypto giant with Binance's support. It'll be interesting to see how things go, especially once the 1.2% payout happens. As for Binance, did you know that LUNC has recently been listed on Binance? It is only natural that they should be listed together. It is also a plus that your coin will be listed on one of the largest platforms at the present time. This will surely attract a large number of users to your platform. In my opinion, this is the correct move, and I am looking forward to seeing what comes next with LUNC. If you are someone who follows the scene, you'll know that Terra Luna is a very decentralized platform. In other words, it's the community that decides what will be done on the platform. However, despite that, the validators of the platform are on the same page as us when it comes to Terra Luna as we are. As well as wanting to be a part of Binance, since it's one of the biggest exchange platforms in the world, this is a good sign for the future. 3 trillion LUNC tokens burned so far. A few days ago, it was reported that over 3 trillion LUNC tokens had been burned to date. This was confirmed by the Twitter account LUNC Burn, which tracks all token shipments to Terra's Crypto Hell wallet. Clearly, the 1.2% burn tax will help boost this figure. If Terra Classic LUNC had $430 million in volume in the last 24 hours, then they would have burned over $5 million to accomplish that. It would not be far off to say that token burns at that kind of volume have played a big role in helping Luna Classic to increase as drastically as it did in price. The manufactured scarcity helps to increase the demand for the coin among the investors. Moreover, KuCoin's acceptance of the network upgrade may have directly preceded the current increase with some much-needed positive publicity. There may have been a number of factors contributing to this unexpected pump, but the price action clearly indicates the next nearest resistance levels and current structure. On August 23, LUNC broke out of a descending resistance line. Since May 17, the line had been in place, so this was the first bullish sign since the bottom of May 13. After that, it increased at a very slow pace before accelerating significantly on September 1. If the upward trend continues, $0.42 would be the closest resistance area. Although the area is likely to be rejected, a breakout above it would likely accelerate the growth rate further, since there is little resistance above it. The original rate of increase for LUNC has been extended by 3.61% in the short term. In it, a long upper wick, red icon has been created. However, there are no bearish candlesticks at this time. Moreover, the 6-hour RSI has not generated any bearish divergence despite being overbought. Therefore, the price may rise up until it reaches the 4.61 extension at $0.34 before correcting. The original Luna has had many struggles this year. It was one of the most anticipated cryptos of the year, and it was well-deserved. They had everything to be the best crypto in the world. However, everything changed when May came. Luna experienced a massive downfall in May 2022. Approximately 99% of its value was down in that short period of time. Obviously, people were irritated since they expected their tokens to multiply by multiples, but they were left with virtually nothing in return. They shocked many people with their revival plan because many people expected them to do something after that time in May. This was part of their plan to rebrand themselves. But does this end here? Well, the rebranding and revival plan has a 3-step process. Although this may take some time, it seems like they are on the right track if everything goes according to plan. It is expected that in a couple of years, the success of this revival plan will make people millionaires. A new blockchain has been created with regard to this as the first step in a revival plan. It is named Terra, which is still somewhat similar in order to let us know that it is the same thing. There may be things similar in this one, but there are also things that are different. One new thing that is guaranteed for the reworked Terra is that they already have their very own token, which is their second step. Lunar Classic or LUNC will be produced by Terra Luna's old and rebranded blockchain, while Lunar Coins will be produced by the new blockchain. This is a huge update for them as this means that they are bringing something revolutionary. Their CEO and co-founder, Do Kwon, has proposed the third part of this revival plan. In order to give everyone who lost their money in the Luna bear market in May a second chance, the plan is to mine and redistribute Lunar Coins. This is a wonderful thing since they will be given another chance. When it comes to future developments, Terra Luna Classic has not only made some significant improvements to their platform, but also to the entire cryptocurrency industry. Since their tragic crash in May, they have made some impressive innovations, such as having a cryptocurrency with APIs that are exposed to Google Carbon. But crypto cash out, what's going on with Google Carbon? In case you are unfamiliar, Google Carbon is the successor to many programming languages. Because of how much carbon footprint regular programming languages leave behind, Google Carbon is a breath of fresh air as it decreases the energy consumption of transactions, reducing the carbon footprint of the world. Thanks to Google Carbon, NFTs will be even better today. The first of its kind, Terra Luna will draw a lot of people to its gates. We can only hope Google Carbon servers will be able to handle this and let the world know just how awesome it is. Terra Luna, as well as the whole world, will benefit from Google Carbon. We can only wait and see what else Terra Luna and the team will have in store for the world. Hey Illuminate TICS, thanks for watching this video from Crypto Cash Out. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new from us. As always, we really appreciate it if you guys help us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Also, comment down below if you believe in Terra Luna Classic and whether or not it will moon for a chance at a shoutout giveaway. If you want a video talking more about why we think Voxel token is set to rise in the future, we have a video talking about that, so go check that out if you haven't already. Until next time, have fun cashing out.